Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Okay, I almost didn't do a voiceover on this video and just started to put music, but anyway, I miss talking to you, so here I come. Hello, how are you doing? So with this video, we started off with blow dried hair, well, wash treatment, and then blow dried the hair, and then now we're doing the hairstyling. I am doing a flat twist on the sides, and you will notice that I'm not using any gel because she wanted to style her hair in another way again the next day. So this was for an evening day. I ended up not using any gel at all, and you can actually style hair without using any gel. Okay, all right. Okay, so now I'm just doing flat twists on the sides. I started off with 2 flat twists, and then I decided to do 3 flat twists so that the middle section can be exactly how I wanted it. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, the likes, the comments, the sharing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And guys, I really need to push my viewership. Like, it is really down at the moment, and it is bothering me so much. So please, I need your help. Please may you share my content with your friends and family, and please may you comment as well, and liking my content is very important. But otherwise, I really thank you even for just coming here to view my content. I appreciate that. So now I am doing the middle section, and I'm just folding the hair, and then I'm putting a hairpin to hold it down. So it's just those 2 sections. Now I had to do this one again because it wasn't doing the thing, so I ended up redoing it. Yeah. Now I am doing the back section. I am just doing an inverted braid or a French braid. It's also called a French braid, and I am basically just putting the 2 sides like one after the other. That's basically how you do a French braid, I think. So I'm just putting it down. It's like yeah, a fish braid. It also can be a fish braid. I'm just putting it down like, I'm sure you can see the movement of my hands. I don't have to explain this. Thank you. I am finding it difficult to explain. I don't know. Yeah, please forgive me. Anyways, so this is basically what I wanted to do, and then I'm just making the sides neat, and that's basically it. Okay, so yeah, this is the hairstyle. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Bye.